What's up my peoples, it's Mohammed here from tekkerreviews, back again with another video. Now you may have seen my previous video on the Bob & Brad Q2 mini massage gun and saw how much I love that device. For a small factor product, you get a lot of RPM and amplitude, as well as a ton of features and accessories. So when Bob & Brad reached out to me again to test their new T2 massage gun, it was an absolute yes from me. Plus I wanted to see how well it was compared to the Q2 mini. Now with that being said guys, be sure to hit that like button below if you enjoyed today's video and subscribe to the channel if you want to stay up to date each time I release a new vid. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Right guys, so first things first, let's check out the packaging. On front, you have the Bob & Brad logo, as well as an image and name of the device. On the side, you have some icons which indicate the attachments included inside, as well as a disclaimer and manufacturer info. And finally, towards the back, you have a blueprint of the massage gun, features and company info. Once opened, the first thing you will see is a travel case, which contains the T2 massage gun, one ball head, one bullet head, one fork head, one flat head, one air cushion head, one USB-C cable for fast charging, and finally, a user manual. In regards to the product breakdown, the device weighs roughly around 600 grams, which is pretty light, and has a height of 20 centimeters. The material is made from plastic, which feels pretty strong and solid. On front, you have the attachment input, where you can insert your massage heads. On the side, you have the Bob & Brad logo, as well as the battery handle, which is made from silicone, making it easy to hold. Towards the bottom, you have the USB-C port, which is again used for fast charging, and air vents on top to release heat. Finally, towards the back, you have the gear indicator lights, which can be adjusted to increase the RPM level, the power and gear level button, and finally, the battery indicator lights. The setup process is very straightforward. Start by ensuring your device is fully charged, and then insert the head attachment. Hold the power button until the device turns on, and then press the power button again until you find your preferred intensity level. Once done, you should be good to go from here. Regarding the technical details, the T2 has a 4000 mAh battery built inside, which can last between 2 to 5 hours and only takes 2 to 3 hours to fully charge. The massage gun is powered by a 25 watt brushless motor, which can provide up to 3200 RPM with an amplitude of 10 mm, which is awesome, especially when it comes to pain relief, blood circulation and recovery. The massage level starts from 2000 RPM and then gradually increases to 2300, 2600, 2900 and finally 3200 RPM. When it comes to noise, the T2 is actually fairly quiet at 45 decibels. Finally, for battery saving, the T2 has an automatic 10-minute shut-off window once the device is not in use. Now for some testing. While using the massage gun, I wanted to see how well the T2 would do after performing activities such as driving, football and post-gym workout. For driving, while using the round head, the massage gun did a great job when set to level 2 at 2300 RPM. After playing football, the massage gun did an okay job at level 2. However, once I bumped up the power to level 3, the T2 did an awesome job in providing soreness relief at 2600 RPM. Finally, after doing chest day at the gym, I tried using levels 1 to 4, which again were okay at best. However, once cranked up to level 5, I literally had zero chest pain the following day, as 3200 RPM did a fantastic job in muscle recovery and helping me get back to 100%. Overall, as I've previously reviewed Bob & Brad products before, I already set my expectations quite high, as the Q2 mini was such a good product. Well, today, I'm happy to say that the T2 massage gun did not disappoint at all and is a device that I definitely recommend purchasing for sure. You get a bunch of features included inside, as well as a variety of different attachments. I love the 5-gear selection and the USB-C fast charging, which is definitely appreciated. The only aspect where the Q2 mini excels the T2 massage gun is definitely the size and form factor, as it's so small and hardly takes up any space. But if that doesn't concern you, then the T2 massage gun is a device you should definitely look into. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Bob & Brad T2 massage gun from Amazon for around £100, and you can find the link to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me guys. What are your thoughts on massage guns, and is this something that you would purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from tekkerreviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.